right, once you get signed into TinkerCAD, I want you to go to the top right-hand corner and click Learn. And what you're going to do is you're going to complete 8 really short starter projects, which are going to teach you the basic controls of TinkerCAD. So you're going to start with place it, then you will complete view it, move it, rotate it, size it up, group it, align it. Whoops, that was 7, not 8, but that's okay. So anyway, once you click on the first one, for this one is called place it, it's going to lead you through a really short tutorial just to learn a basic control. So, well, as you can see, I already did this one. I'm awesome. I'm going to reset. There we go. And even if you did this previously in another year or even in elementary school, unless you remember it, you can go ahead and move on to the next step in Canvas. I would go ahead and do just like I just did and reset the tutorial and just run through all of these. So like I said, it'll tell you what to do over here, and then you'll do it over here, then you'll click next, and it's going to teach you how to move things around in TinkerCAD.